Today I'm sharing an unboxing of my April Citrus Twist Kits Pocket Life Kit. Citrus Twist actually just updated their website, and even though I'd only been subscribed for 1 month, I had to go in and set up a new account and resubscribe, which was no big deal. It was super easy to do, and their website is really nice. But as a thank you, they sent this stamp, which I love. I'm not good at stamping. I don't know. I have lots of stamps. I love stamps, but for some reason, I don't know how to use them maybe in my project life or other projects. I never seem to use them to their full potential, but this one I'm super excited. I think I'll be able to use this one. It's a perfect size for project life, so thank you, Citrus Twist. This is awesome. Can't wait to use it. Okay, now here is the April kit, and I have not even opened it yet, so this will be new to both of us. All right, look at this. Okay, so again, they've sent another little extra card, which is adorable. I love this ombre, and the back is super usable. Here are the rest of the 3x4 cards. I love this floral. Very nice. Enjoy this. Ugh, the raindrops. We have had so much rain, so that will be perfect. Enjoy this. Blue skies up ahead, around here, more and less. Wander often, wonder always. Oh, I love that. Captured. That's a beautiful pattern. Feel the sunshine. Hearts. Ooh, I really like that. Day after day. That's really neat. Again, the ombre, that is beautiful. Black and white is always very useful. You can't live a full life on an empty stomach. Well, ain't that true? Here and now, and main squeeze. And then, oh, that is gorgeous. Love that. Okay, so that, those are the 3x4 cards. Let's get to the 4x6 cards and the papers next. Okay, so there's a little sheet of labels. You know how I love labels, always need more of those. And then here are the 4x6 cards. There's a highlights one, and the grid is so usable. Always love grid. This though, love that. And then the other side, my favorite days are days when everyone is happy. Yes. Okay, and then the papers. Oh, there's a little 3x8, it looks like. So Undeniably You. Very cool. And then if I'm remembering correctly, I believe these are all Citrus Twist exclusive papers. So that is gorgeous. Love the stripes. And they're one-sided, so you don't have to choose which side to use. Little plus signs. Black and white. Gorgeous floral. A wood grain, lemons, a sky print, some stripes, oops, more black and white, and this grid again. I love that. And then these gorgeous stripes. Awesome. Very cool. Can't wait to use those. Here are the alphas. And again, it's that ombre effect. I love that. I love their puffy alphas, so I always get lots of use out of those. And then you get some little word stickers, word phrase stickers. Love these. Love using these in project life. Sorry if you can hear the dog feet on our hardwood floors. And then some leatherette stickers. Again, these are exclusive. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and then here is the ephemera pack. And there's no key on the back, so let's just open this up. Let me move this stuff out of the way a little bit and see what's inside. All these little pieces. There is always so much in these packs. I'm always so amazed. Okay, so yes, girl, this really happened. Never Stop Looking Up, Hello, some floral, Really, let's see, that might be part of something else, a little tag, this, oh, When Life Gives You Lemons, We Came, We Saw, We Loved, Lucky, Happy, some tabs, Feeling No Regrets, more florals, Life Was Meant for Good Times, Up in the Clouds, Life Happening, oops, this little star, Let's Run Away, Bird, a little one tag, You're My Free Spirit. Oh, now she's getting a drink. Oh well, sorry. Beginner's Guide, Girl, and Hey Girl. I'm guessing those go together. Oh, there's another one. And it says You can see that. Tags, more word strips. So much here. There is so much here. Wild Child, lemons, more labels and tabs. Oh, there, fun. That's what that's supposed to be. A tag. I'm running on empty and need more fuel. That's me every day, as long as by fuel you mean coffee. You Are My Sunshine, Roam, Happy. Look at all this. Oh my goodness, there is so much here. Okay, look at all that. Okay, wow, so much. All right, let's move that out to the side. And there's a little package of, look like cork maybe, pieces. Yes, cork. Aren't those cute? Oh, perfect. Love those. And then finally, the stamp that comes in the kit, which is full of lots of little phrases that I think are super usable. Cozy Vibes, Wrapped in Love, Live in the Moment, Friends, Board Games, Oversized Sweaters, Sweatpants, yes please, and Happy Living. Oh, love this. Okay, you guys, that is the April kit from Citrus Twist Kits. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait to dive in and use it. Thanks for watching.